I'm Amanda, and I'm a nursing student in the Practical Nurse program at Bow Valley College. So I started out my education journey at the University of Winnipeg in 1998, where I received my education degree. I ended up working mostly with people with disabilities and troubled youth instead of actually going to teaching. Before Bow Valley College, I was a single mom with 2 kids. We all just had a family discussion about that I needed more out of life. I guess I've always known that I'm interested in health and wellness, sciences. I was tossing around some ideas, and first I thought maybe I would be a 911 operator because I can handle stressful situations. But then, funny enough, I went to go donate blood, and I was speaking to one of the nurses there, and she said, well, why don't you just apply to be a nurse? And I was like, I can do that? That started the wheels turning, and a month later, I was accepted into the nursing program. We do everything that a nurse would do in clinical, so we're given the real-world opportunity to do this before we're actually in a career. And it's so amazing because reading out of a book is one thing, performing it in a lab skill is very stressful, but it's completely another thing. Being in the real world and learning that you can do this and you do understand and it does make sense, it's just such a wonderful feeling. The most critical part about the clinical placement is that you're in a real world working environment. You're in a hospital, you're in a long-term care facility, you're with real patients that depend on you. You're given trust and you're given the chance to use the skills that you develop at Bow Valley. Through my clinical experiences, I've gained so many skills and the confidence to be able to walk into the unit manager's office and hand my resume and say, I'd like to put myself on the table here for a position, and have him call me back and say, when you graduate in December, I would like to offer you a line at the hospital. It's such a phenomenal feeling. I think Bow Valley College sets you up to be successful if you use the tools that are out there. Utilize the teachers, the instructors, utilize your peers, utilize walking on the library pad when you need a break, Just take it in, relax, enjoy yourself. Yes, it's stressful, but at the same time, there's so many good things that happen here every day. And I think that is just so important. My whole world is starting up again. I feel like a kid again, honestly. I wake up in the morning and I'm like, wow, this is really cool. I get to go to work doing this. And I never thought that would be possible. It's such a change to be able to show your children that education is possible at any time. And it's a gift, and it changes the way you think about yourself, the way you feel about yourself. I can actually hands-on help somebody, right? I can change that person's life for the better. And to have that and be able to show my kids that, I think that is just such a gift in my life, honestly. Education, it's the key. It's the key to everything. It's the key to your happiness, honestly. You get to make your own future instead of having somebody else decide it for you. Bow Valley College is helping me hit the ground nursing.